Welcome back. In today's lesson, we will continue our exploration of AI's role in industry, focusing on current trends and future opportunities. In the last section, we discussed the transformative effects AI has had in healthcare, finance, and automotive industries. Now, let's continue by diving deeper into other key sectors that are experiencing rapid change due to AI. The manufacturing industry is one of the most significant adopters of AI, and it's easy to see why. AI-driven systems are dramatically enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving product quality. One of the key trends in manufacturing is the use of AI for predictive maintenance. This is where machines equipped with sensors collect data on their own performance. AI algorithms analyze this data in real time, predicting when a machine part is likely to fail and scheduling maintenance before it happens. This helps reduce downtime and prevent costly production delays. Another major AI application in manufacturing is quality control. AI systems can scan products on assembly lines for defects with far greater precision than humans. For example, companies like Siemens and GE are using AI-powered visual inspection systems to detect tiny imperfections in their products, ensuring higher quality standards. Moreover, AI is being integrated into smart factories, where the entire production process is interconnected through IoT Internet of Things devices, and data analytics. AI helps optimize production lines, manage supply chains, and improve inventory management all while learning and improving over time. AI is also transforming the retail and e-commerce industries. One of the most visible applications of AI in this sector is personalized shopping experiences. Retail giants like Amazon and Alibaba use AI-driven recommendation systems to suggest products to customers based on their browsing and purchase history. Another exciting AI-driven innovation is the use of chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-powered systems can engage with customers, answer their queries, and assist with purchases 24/7 without human intervention. This provides faster service and enhances the overall shopping experience. Looking to the future, AI in retail will likely see further integration with AR augmented reality and VR virtual reality technologies to create more immersive shopping experiences. Imagine virtually trying on clothes or viewing furniture in your home before purchasing, all powered by AI. To conclude, AI's role in industry is truly transformative. From manufacturing to retail, agriculture, energy, and education, AI is improving efficiency, reducing costs, and opening up exciting new opportunities. It's clear that AI will continue to have a massive impact on how industries evolve and operate in the coming years. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our next video. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the exciting world of AI.